In this video, we're going to uncover a simple 2-minute daily fix that can help seniors reduce crepey, thin, and sagging skin naturally and effectively. You'll discover why your skin loses firmness after 50, what truly causes that paper-like texture on your arms, neck, and legs, and most importantly, how you can restore your skin's strength and elasticity using only natural, safe ingredients you already have at home. No expensive serums, no painful treatments, just pure, proven skin nourishment backed by science. We'll explain how a short circulation-boosting massage, combined with a nutrient-rich oil blend, can transform your skin from dry and fragile to smooth and resilient again. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what causes crepey skin, but also have a clear, step-by-step routine that takes less than 2 minutes a day to bring your youthful glow back. So stay with us till the end. Your skin deserves this healing secret that truly works. Let's start by understanding what's really happening beneath your skin. Crepey skin isn't just about aging or dryness, it's a deeper issue that starts within the layers of your skin where collagen and elastin live. These two proteins act like scaffolding, holding your skin firm and smooth. As we age, especially after 50, the body slows its collagen production dramatically, sometimes by more than 50%. That's why your skin suddenly starts looking thin, wrinkly, and loose, especially around your arms, neck, knees, and under your eyes. It's as if the foundation that held your skin tight is slowly collapsing. Sun exposure, dehydration, poor diet, and lack of circulation make it worse, leading to that fragile, paper-like texture that so many seniors notice. But here's the truth. Crepey skin is not irreversible. You can rebuild your skin's structure naturally by stimulating collagen, improving hydration, and restoring healthy blood flow. And this entire process starts with a simple 2-minute daily routine. The biggest mistake most people make is trying to fix crepey skin from the outside only. They apply thick creams, lotions, and serums that promise miracles, but most of these products never reach the deeper layers where the damage actually occurs. The outer layer of skin acts like a barrier. It can absorb moisture temporarily, but true healing requires working from within. Think of your skin like a dry sponge. Pouring water on the surface helps for a while, but if the sponge isn't hydrated from the inside, it stays brittle. The same goes for your skin. That's why this 2-minute fix works. It targets both surface hydration and inner restoration through circulation and nutrition. Here's how it works. Every day, your skin cells rely on microcirculation, tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen, water, and nutrients. As we get older, circulation slows down, meaning fewer nutrients reach those outer cells. When that happens, your skin becomes dull, pale, and crepey. By simply stimulating your skin for 60 seconds each morning through gentle massage, you awaken those vessels and boost oxygen flow. It's like turning the lights back on in your skin. This alone can make your skin look more alive. But we take it one step further by adding nature's most powerful skin food: oils rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. After warming your skin with gentle circular massage, go ahead and apply a few drops of castor oil mixed with vitamin E or olive oil. This combination is, honestly, deeply nourishing. Castor oil penetrates beyond the surface and encourages collagen and elastin rebuilding, while vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals that destroy your skin's elasticity. Olive oil, on the other hand, adds hydration and antioxidants that protect your cells from further damage. Unlike water-based creams that evaporate, these natural oils create a protective layer that locks in moisture for hours. Seniors who perform this routine daily notice their skin feeling softer within a few days and visibly firmer within weeks. But, true transformation doesn't stop on the surface. It continues inside your body. That's why the next step is internal nourishment. Your skin is really the mirror of what's happening within you. If your diet lacks protein, vitamin C, and healthy fats, your skin cannot rebuild itself no matter what you apply externally. So, to truly reverse crepey skin, focus on foods that boost collagen and elasticity. Start your day with a warm cup of bone broth. It's rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which your body uses to rebuild collagen fibers. Add vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, strawberries, and papaya. because vitamin C helps your body link collagen fibers together, making them stronger. You can also eat avocados, nuts, and seeds daily to provide essential fatty acids that keep your skin supple and hydrated. Hydration is equally important. Most seniors underestimate how dehydration affects their skin. As you age, your body loses its ability to retain moisture, and your sense of thirst weakens. This makes your skin cells dry and lifeless. Water is your cheapest and most powerful anti-aging remedy. Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses daily. To make it easier, infuse your water with cucumber, lemon, or mint. It adds antioxidants and encourages you to drink more. Let's talk about another hidden factor: magnesium. Many seniors don't realize that magnesium helps activate enzymes needed for collagen synthesis. Without enough magnesium, collagen can't form properly, leading to weak, saggy skin. Include magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and dark chocolate in your diet, or ask your doctor about a mild supplement. When your body has enough magnesium, collagen fibers become stronger and more elastic, tightening your skin from within. You might be wondering, can I really see results at my age? Absolutely. Your skin renews itself every 28 to 40 days, even in your 70s or 80s. That means every small improvement you make today will show up as visible results in just a few weeks. The key is consistency. A 2-minute massage and oil routine daily, combined with hydration and nutrition, can dramatically change how your skin feels and looks. You'll start noticing less dryness, more smoothness, and a glow that returns gradually. Another thing to remember: protect what you rebuild. The sun is one of the biggest enemies of collagen. Even short exposure to UV rays can destroy years of progress. So, if you go outdoors between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., wear long sleeves or use a natural zinc-based sunscreen. Avoid harsh soaps and alcohol-based cleansers. They strip your skin's protective oils and accelerate thinning. Instead, use mild, pH-balanced cleansers or natural options like oatmeal or aloe vera gel. For those who like science-backed habits, studies show that gentle skin stimulation for 60 seconds daily can increase local blood flow by 30%, while consistent use of natural oils improves hydration by up to 50%. Add proper diet and water intake, and you have the perfect natural anti-aging plan. No chemicals, no surgery. Your skin starts to rebuild its collagen network, your cells retain moisture longer, and that crepey texture slowly fades. Finally, mindset matters. Don't expect overnight miracles. Your skin didn't become crepey in one day, and it won't heal in one day either. But every small act of care, every gentle massage, every glass of water, every nutrient-rich meal is like sending love to your skin. Within 2 weeks, you'll start to feel the change. Within 4 weeks, you'll see it. And within 2 months, others will notice it too. The secret isn't just in products, it's in giving your skin what it has been silently asking for all along: nourishment, circulation, and patience. Now that you understand what causes crepey skin and how it can be reversed naturally, let's put everything into one simple, powerful 2-minute routine you can start today. This method is easy, safe, and works for anyone over 50, no matter how thin, dry, or wrinkled your skin may feel right now. All you need is consistency and care. Begin your day by sitting somewhere comfortable. Rub your palms together for a few seconds until they feel warm. This heat activates your circulation. Then gently massage your arms, neck, and legs using circular motions. Focus on the areas that look thin or saggy. You'll start to feel a pleasant warmth spreading through your skin. That warmth means blood is flowing again, carrying oxygen and nutrients to the cells that were once dormant. This 1-minute massage alone helps wake up your skin's natural repair system. Next, while your skin is still warm, take a small amount of castor oil mixed with a few drops of vitamin E or olive oil and gently press it into your skin. Don't rub harshly. Let your skin absorb it naturally. These oils are powerful skin foods. Castor oil triggers collagen rebuilding, vitamin E reduces damage from free radicals, and olive oil hydrates and seals moisture. Together, They form a perfect barrier that keeps your skin elastic and nourished for hours. Do this every morning and again before bed, and you'll start noticing that your skin feels stronger, softer, and more supple within a few days. But the care doesn't stop there. Your body repairs skin the most while you sleep, so nighttime is just as important. Before bed, lightly clean your skin with a warm, damp cloth to remove any dust or dryness, then apply your oil mix again. This helps your skin stay hydrated and lets the repair process continue through the night. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see visible changes. The rough texture will smooth out, fine lines will fade slightly, and your skin will feel more alive. Remember, this isn't a miracle cream. It's a science-based routine that works with your body's natural rhythm. Keep your diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and protein, drink water consistently, and move your body daily. Even gentle walks or stretches help maintain circulation. Think of it as treating your skin like a living organ, not just a surface to cover up. It needs nourishment, oxygen, and rest, just like your heart or muscles. So seniors, don't lose hope. Crepey skin isn't permanent. Your body has an incredible ability to heal when you give it what it needs. Just 2 minutes every day can make a visible difference. Start this routine today, stay consistent, and soon you'll see your skin glow with the firmness and beauty you thought was gone forever.